Before I leave the place, let's see.
Yes,
no come. Aye. I'm gonna have to tidy up after this year, man.
Mush here.
And you see when he's drunk, look how he vomit up on the clothes, man. Sure. Can't Tanny.
Hey, Mummy, come here.
Him soon come, man. You can't make him see the place like this.
Sit down, man. Just sit down.
All right, talk fast, man. Talk fast. Although when him there run bar, him not come back quick. Thank you,
yes,
baby.
we want to talk to you.
Mommy, I feel like you want to pack up the things and go away. You know, that beat it every day and you just long to take it, so.
Can't leave. What me I go do?
Who's this, sir?
What me I go do? No, sir.
You not have family?
Listen.
Mommy, when you're independent, you with your own money. You can't rent one place and go stay.
And where me going to get that money from?
So you not answer the things them?
Girl, may I tell you, say, a years me I try, you know. Between you and me I'll put money under the floorboard.
And you find it?
You find it. Me never realize saying
so
that.
So you never try a bank, like you put in one bank.
Make one, hide it from one thief and give it to a next thief. You must be mad. God will help me one day, man. God will help me one day, but me have to tidy up, man. Cause you don't know how him turn when to play. Hey, you're good, babe.
Hi.
Glad to see you, man.
Come here. My nieces, what are you doing?
Why? They look and live and give God thanks.
Oh, but there's some I can't give one check because me fast around the area and I go look away for some fast. I'm not going to give one check.
Me would have come with the cucumber stick to you.
So now not over here.
Yeah, man.
Like no jelly or nothing like that there. Yes, I feel coconut tree them alone stand up from off of the stand.
Yes. Me I go get Papa if you pick some for you. You have to wash off your heart.
Search for him there.
What's a rum bar?
Rum bar?
Ever rum bar?
No, sir. So how on a relationship and stuff?
Yes, girl. Everything nice.
Stop tell lie.
Oh, no, come out a big people argument. But
Auntie,
stop tell lie.
Auntie, every day the man beat her.
Shut up.
That is the truth.
She have the man get
Them two, them never come off of them tablet. You see what kind of movie you know watch?
I lie, Archie. More no.
A lie. The man watch movie. Which man can beat me?
But I can't go in our house. Hotter than bright.
No what?
I'm not for watch education. I'm gonna take your book.
Then I say you grow them. Then the manners.
Aye, I come talk about that. But I saw.
You know, because I slap on them in their face.
Hey, they no say them
I
answer
laugh.
Yeah.
Then if you have manners, man, when they say big people are taught, they have to go one side.
Mm-hmm. But overall, them good. Because they could be doing a lot worse. Oh. Them not bring belly pa me. Them not bring police in pa me. And in them own way, them show them love. Them is really good girls. So, you know.
I just want to know, say, alright, you know, my sister. That's all me care about. And my niece, they alright. But they need to know themselves.
That's true. They can do better. Yes. I'm glad to see you, man. You're round like a England. Come on. What gone with your love life?
Girl. Oh, man. Me not the boy I like, but me say the man I like.
Okay.
You know the things that I see that the man them want the man.
He marks my sister. Huffy.
That is it.
But then one single day, you know, him not gonna let you
Left
go.
way.
And you have to let them go.
And you have to clone the girl for some holy. Like him want. Catch up on the side.
You're bad for a long time, you know. You're bad for a long time.
And I'm why I shed tears. Me just listen to me tired of you. New man.
New life, new beginning.
Girl. Try find the next girl like me, which we know saying you can't find the next girl like me.
And then you're gonna have a big relationship. You're not gonna give me no niece and nephew, girl.
Listen, me now look my man for second down with you know.
Okay.
Me just want the money. Look whining and dining. Gone.
Okay.
I feel like the man too good. But we stick with him a little, but when me get tired of him, I know I'm not gonna let that. For a longer time, I saw me stay.
Me know see always get bored easy.
That is it. So, me I can't go part me I go because me no come for tarry.
Yeah, come back, don't forget the coconut them.
when they pick it, just call me from my phone. Have my number.
All right, baby, you are
Later.
God bless me. Oh God, you don't know how happy I am to see you,
I'm
man.
making girl and cook something give for eat. I kind of work out yourself.
No, man, everything good.
Yeah,
Me just say
man.
make me tidy up before him come, cause him always in the ground and thing. I through the storm, it see little greed to grow up. But him always a do him thing and
Me like
thing,
when
you know?
get no damage though. I
Thank
love
God.
that.
Thank God.
Must button up window wall go on. They can't take it down no storm blow.
Yeah, man.
Do something, man.
Yeah, man. He will do, he will
And
get
the
round
window
to
they need to
it.
change out because listen, sister. If me carry a man come, you can't carry the man come so. Do something better, man.
Girl, when you lock down your
Yeah.
man, them you not come out of the room.
This also have all different type of color. You have red, blue, green. Listen, man.
Love me with my multicolor house. You know, like see black people have not. Go on.
This house come like an ice cream shop.
Yeah, man. Rum and raisin and everything.
You know what, sister?
Go on.
Right now,
Go on. My phone, you hear?
Alright.
Thank you for blessing my day. Them mamas let it out. On the mouth, them too big, man. When I sweep up, knowing them, in trouble. Eh? Why not go open on the big mouth for?
What about me?
What you mean, what with what? Put sit down there, so I want to talk to you. You see the next time Brittany come here or anybody come here, what goes on in this house, standing at this your house, you understand?
Oh, so pick up coffee.
No, but mommy, no. And your sister, you're supposed to go and talk to your sister and make sure you understand what happened to Cho. And daddy had do too much, you know, so by daddy come and daddy see in the house, so and you might
Of me and your daddy business that. I'm not always miserable. And when he come back from the rum bar and me not have to explain to one man.
But in the drink come and do it same way, mommy. Mommy must have been I'm sick.
Everybody.
When I want nothing for you, when you end up daddy beat up.
Alright, look at this now. It would have nice if we name a tell for your sister more than your neighbor right over there, so the one where
Anyhow, that motor massive bitch open her mouth to anybody, me and she.
You remember that day when your daddy in your house, so want to see him?
to the window.
Me know, man. Mine, you know when your father come home and you know him sneaking already.
He now come home and I'm gonna run back.
Me know.
Me sing Ghana that when past Miss Alice and go like I one way through the God. So he now come back to me.
Oh, I'm gone to the far one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But still, can't lower your guards. But still, what goes on in this yard, tanning at the yard, me will deal with your father, yeah?
Okay.
Wanna pick up on a book and take on a book and get on an education. Right? So that you see everything me I struggle and I go through. Don't worry, man. Don't worry.
But that is not love. You can't say I love that love and I beat her son, no?
But you know wrong.
That is not love. You don't hurt someone that you love.
True.
And that is physically.
That's true. Alright, so now learn. Alright, that is a lesson. You see, it's one thing to learn from your mistakes, but better to learn from somebody else. Don't make a man come doing what but me have to know, it's not as easy as that.
Oh, mama, we don't want nothing there. That's why we are trying to look hell. Cause Auntie could have just say, alright, she's gonna make pack up the things around, we can just move. Auntie has no place where we can go.
Me know, but you don't know Brittany like that, you know, her head hot. Hey, my sister mad, you know, your auntie
So
mad.
we are trying to, should we use them things to cuss you?
No, your auntie is a mad head. You see, anybody for her family, she will unalive them. You want to be an orphan? As bad as him be. You don't want to be no orphan.
No.
Exactly. That's why I'm going to really talk. People love and people love in different ways. But alright.
They want to see my love.
I don't understand yet. I true not pick me and I don't understand. All I need for do, you see? If you don't want to help me, I'm going to pick up on a book. I'm going to have respect to the father. And you see when him come and him depend him drunkenness, take on yourself. We're here, not a word. Me know how to deal with him, man. Alright? Me go finish tidy up. Pick on the book. I may like how when I tidy up. But open on the mouth again and me and with the cucumber stick here. What goes on in this yard, tanning at the yard.
Okay.
Right.
Going to kill him.
Morgan, every time I see you, I'm sweetie. Every time I see you, you come from your family. I don't know how else to go. Girl, I'm my sister. Me go check. I know me go look for my brother-in-law. Where I look for your brother-in-law for? Because me go with my sister just a while ago. And the pit them out chat about how my brother-in-law beat my sister. And my sister say, oh, Allah, you not beat me. And me have to raise up pit them and pit them in their house. So me no want to know if I true. So me go look for my brother-in-law and ask him myself if my beat my sister. Cause me want to find him, want to get to the bottom of this. Oh, cause me not gonna make no boy take step on my sister. Cause no boy can't take step on me. You understand? What? You're not tired? Tired with what? When I know that this, when I know this or that, when I know that how, when I know girl, how. Me love my family, them and me do anything for them. So me ask you so now, you feel like say if you go there, you find out the man go and meet him beat him? Well, the man kind of fool, you know. So me ask him, maybe we say yeah, we admit, you understand? I don't think no man go just admit to them and beat him and so. Or me just use one style pan and get the truth out of him. But we do it so. So where you a go? Girl, me no know me I go. Me just have to go somewhere. Can't bet your man here, you dey go. Me not ask you. Tell me, I tell you. Tell me, I tell you, say a man here, dey go. I ain't telling you a man that can't put yourself together. But yet you a man. Tell me now. Girl. Hello, for me, you know? Me not trouble, me your friend. Me not trouble you. I truth. At this point, me think like if you go, me think you can fight for one professional counselor. Or what therapist, you fit for cause them the family problem, them would have run with them long time. Listen, when I know a man, I woman, when I know a woman, I man. Listen, you all come out of family business. I'm go check the man where you go look for. Me never mass jar you go look for. Or Mr. When your man name again? Mr. Joseph. It's not for me and a friend you and me I go. Friend, you're not a friend of this, so me only friend you have member good. Me the only friend I have member. I know you want. Listen now, me up on the long chatting later. Yeah, bye. Alright.
You know, step on a big man level. I feel like it's time you make your woman sell the shop, the one down the road.
Sell the shop?
Yes.
Boy.
Cause me need the money.
Our livelihood.
Yeah, hot girl.
But our livelihood that, you know.
You think I did the livelihood?
Yes! Me are the man. I collect the money when the money come in and take it off. But that she start off with that.
Sure. Tell her, make she sell the shop. Me need some money. Me need to buy clothes. Me a hot girl. Look for maid one. You know like maid one do. Look for yourself, me having. You want woman, I can't mind woman.
How much you think the shop value?
I can't create shop now. What about like 3 mil or 2?
I'm making sell a little bit of nothing. $2 million, $1 million. If you get $1 million and take it.
Yeah.
And then you carry the stuff them come up a yard and we feed panny. As simple as that.
So
but how me go get him to sell the shop?
Tell her I say I have heart failure.
Heart failure?
Yes, you have heart failure.
You think she love me that much to sell the shop for me a heart? After me a beat her so?
Yep.
Tell me now.
Well,
which woman are going to sell the shop because a cruff like me, a drunkard like me. We are coming every night drunk and every evening drunk. You tell me now.
So you say your mother have heart failure?
That don't like me mother from morning. So you know going to make a sense. And the two little pissing tail them were over there, a piss bed. That's a one.
Kidnap one of daughter them then. I run for ransom. What the excuse you have now?
Hello. Hi.
Hello, hi.
In-law.
In-law.
You there?
Hello, Lucas.
My last?
No, can't I hear him, right?
Yeah, man, you can't drink rum and money.
I have a thing to say to you. But how old is?
Oh, my cousin.
Cousin?
Yeah, man.
So I know this a cousin, yeah. I don't know her.
Long distance cousin.
You don't need to know me.
Right. I don't know you may talk to me. I talk to my brother-in-law.
You come here, come see me and him right here, so.
But
you know, no man. How she?
I never you me ask
question. Woman, how she?
I never you me ask question.
You never hear me say in-law?
Because me talk about you.
I'm a woman. I'm a baby mother. I'm a love of my life. Sister this. Yeah.
Yes.
She not family.
Eh?
She not family.
So I'm not the family if you know with my sister.
No, you're just feisty. Because you know, no manners. No level of respect.
No,
you just step around and come round.
Sorry.
Drink rum and disrespect me. How the problem?
Yeah, last time check.
Me don't go back and say man, no, but me not bother. Me ask you a
Zip
question.
it.
Are your money by the rum?
I know my money by the rum, but you
So
come back
how
and
you
see
have a
me.
problem with me drinking the rum?
Zip it.
You know, I know manners.
Oi,
So
oi.
me have to come to you?
Keep your mouth. Keep your mouth. I'm mad one this. Mad.
Me mother. No matter what you doing, no. Oh, me you coming with this, yo.
You see your mother there, right, so? Your mother?
Me not argue with you. Or part talk where you talk and leave.
Wait, you want to talk to me about?
About you and my sister.
Oh, my baby. My baby, that man.
Here, baby.
Baby for life.
Kill her with lick. I want go on.
How are you hearing the nonsense from me?
Nonsense.
Hit my woman. Oh, God.
Because I know the man they town love drink rum when they come in and batter their woman.
No, I never lick my woman. My woman come like a fly. How me only can see that mash up. You can't lick my woman.
Listen now, you try and make sure because if me ever hear say you put your hand for my sister, Tony done.
What done?
Me not listen to me now, man. You
I mean, I'm
know
gonna bust up your face.
if you bust up face alone, and anybody come in there get it too.
And who should have power for? Me can't fight guy going up.
So let me ask you a question.
What time me and you show we are more guy come?
Yo.
Look at me.
You are more guy come than if you look on you. And your reflection, you look on.
Cause, relax now.
Me a favor.
You hear me I say?
Me I could never favor. If you the monkey them in the zoo. Me don't know how the zookeeper let go you.
That wouldn't know Jamaican when me say keep out the mouth, no, keep out the mouth. Do like
Talk to your in-law.
do like a white
If
people.
you not chat to your cousin, me make my sister left you.
No, keep out your mouth.
Alright, me know your woman left for true. You not go fight no more.
Yo,
Alright, Tina go find him because I don't want him.
you hear me I say now?
And it's
Suppose
now
I,
they with his cousin.
suppose
Where?
your sister lick me first. What feel it? Take
What? If she beat man. Me beat man, you know, so what she beat man. Nothing wrong with that. What wrong
You
with that?
can't beat a man where I satisfy you.
Satisfy. The last time me check, me hear say you're prick dead.
Jesus.
Sorry, I never mean to make you let's talk like that, but listen.
Oh, God,
last time
man.
me check, I overhear the conversation. I never she tell me. So now worry yourself and feel like say, oh, me I'm gonna chat up with my sister. Not like that.
No, sir.
Ask me why he did.
Oh, me if you ask her why, me don't know.
And the mother go say underneath her think.
No!
Oh.
Me go and run back go drink and come in and joke.
Man, I love drink one lip of rum there, something no good.
No, and I say go. Me under me high and the boy get up. And the moment me take off the shorts, say me I go take peace. I want big old jar shit in and me Jimmy just drop down to boop. Me Jimmy no look pan nothing with your big old bag. Me no like
Oh,
it.
yeah, yeah, the disrespect my sister
Me-
in front of me.
Me like sexy panty. When me see the sexy panty, the boy turn up.
Oh,
And
and
the-
the panty you like, and my sister.
And the buff no fat no more. First time when me didn't know her, it is fat. But when me realize that the pear bush did there.
You know me down.
The moment she ball it, it gone flat. You can't see it again.
You know my follow the meter.
So everything changed. So me
We
now.
expect.
Hello.
The little fat one, my
Yeah,
sister.
yeah. You know your sister, she and them have you
You
never
know
feel like
my
fat.
cheater for my sister.
I'm a shatter.
I don't mean she attack. For you.
Oh, watch what you're doing now, man. You paint your finger. Cause me afraid of you.
Riverton City. No, you talk to him.
Me go tell my sister for you. Me I go tell her.
Tell her
Stop
what?
disrespect me now.
Tell her what?
Me not disrespect you.
I'm
now.
here the man at the yard. I'm here run that backside. You see that yard? I'm here running. So anything me say goes.
Goes.
I two pitney me give your sister. No man no want give no pitney. No.
Oi.
I'm breathing
Oi.
2 times.
The man who my sister left video with you 10 times better than you, so mind them out. And right now I'm dead for my sister. What my sister left?
Look at me. Look at me. Well, muscle and chopped in. Look at me.
But not chap, you don't look good.
Every girl I run me down.
You like you suffer.
You know what is a suffer?
You sufferer, you don't look good.
Sufferer.
I must say my sister money and mine you know.
You pass sufferation.
I'm my sister money and mine you.
So
I might
sit
as
down.
well I'm my sister money
shut
by
up.
this. Me not have to ask you. It's because of my sister money by this.
Oh, yeah,
you
go
come
on,
with
sir.
me.
Oh, yeah, go on,
Oi,
sir.
me I do. Oi,
Put that
can't
in
come
rum.
next year love rum more than my sister.
Put that in rum.
Since
Put
I
that in
love
rum.
rum more than my sister, I'm going to take the rum from you.
Put that in-
Go up to your wife. I left you for better years.
Come no in-law. Put on in rum, no in-law.
Goodbye.
Me give you 1 2
Some
bills.
tough turbid gal, yeah. You come like Duns River. You see, come and get like this, me. You see, oh, you
Check
come
this
like
out.
gal, yeah. You're blind. I let me pump. You see, next time I'm boxing
You
you.
have to keep by your mouth and that we don't know black people. That's why I love white people. You see white people, the moment they hear somebody say, "Roo!" Then comes on,
Me and no post.
and that's why we don't live long. When you don't hear people argue, we don't know who on the head and go on.
And
No
that's why
argue
she
back.
out there that this to say, yeah, nyam.
I know me nyam.
And who nyam?
The God nyam seen there, he gone.
Yeah, she has say, oh, your name have like fat off the front.
Which fat?
Half at the front, you say your baby mother front no fat, and she has say because you yam it off, you yam too much.
If me think yam front, me have a pepper and knife and fork, so you know front one of the day. So any man tell me say they yam front, I lie at them. It better they say they licky.
Oh, and you take off the fat.
Oh God, at least if I tied you up.
Come here. Come here.
Hey baby, you good?
No, baby me, when me in this mood right now. You send your little Jezebel sister come take my rum. So I style me.
Baby, you have your rum.
This is one of the rum. Me have backlog rum. Me tell her say, anytime your sister come here, you know, if you put me near me never do that. Yes!
Me never do that,
Don't
baby.
tell me why you never do that. She come and style me.
No, I'll talk to her. Me will talk to her.
Yes,
Hey, baby.
Liquor!
Go back inside.
Go back inside!
Shit, no, go back inside. All right, baby. All right. Go back inside.
Go over there.
All right.
Go over there.
No! Can't be that bite!
No, stop it. Stop it. All right. Stop it. All right, baby. All right, calm down, baby. Go inside. All right, baby.
Listen.
I'm sorry. No talk to her.
I'm me and the man in a this, right? In a this relationship, you have me say goals, right?
Yes.
You don't want nobody to style me.
Yes.
I see shop where you have a rundown, so
I'm not doing no shop, baby.
you go sell it. And you go give me the money. Let me run the place. You hear me say? What me say?
But baby.
You go sell it. Me have heart failure because of your sister. So now you have to go sell the shop.
I'm sorry, but please, but one little thing, baby, please.
What?
Please, don't make me sell this shop.
What?
No, we'll give you, if me sell the shop, you won't have money for buy rum, and you love the rum.
We have the money when they sell the shop. Fast and quicker.
No, baby, because when that money went out.
When money run out, when if me tell you sell the shop, you sell the shop. You can't find money if you start up something else. Start back from bag juice days again and chips. Sell the shop. Try the things and come up here, come put them, make you eat it. As simple as that, and sell it. Any little silver down there, take you up too.
Alright.
Now sell it for no big money. What me say?
Now sell it for no big money.
Right. And who are the man of the yard?
You.
And who are the real Danya?
You, baby, you know that.
Right. You love me?
Always.
Say I love
Always.
you.
I love you, baby.
Okay.
I love you. Let me go put on the pot. You're most hungry.
You know.
It's a cook. It's a cook.
You know,
Alright, it's a cook.
You know what I'm here with?
Open the door. It's a cook. Open the door. It's a cook. Me I gonna do it. No, it's a cook. It's a cook. You so come.
Damn bright.
Where you go?
Me I go to my uncle for money.
Which uncle that?
Me uncle?
Listen to me, little girl. See that uncle of yours? I don't trust him one bit. Cause he's a pervert. And so me I say, so take a little time going up in the yard. Can you say me did little, and me I go down there. He might tell me, boy, me na me little skirt like this, me little nice skirt like this. Me can drop money pan floor and come tell me if bend over and pick it up so you can look under there. Me not trust him.
That are you.
Me that me. What me that me?
Pants me now. When
Turn
I
your
go.
pants body. Come up here, son, girl. Turn your pants body. Clean. Come back up here with the dirty and we see. Just go down there, a matter of fact too. You see now go down there, you stand up out of the gate. If a money I go to go collect, you stomp out of the gate and you call him and say, Uncle Peter!
So suppose you
come
know
with
you
the money.
have to go in a yard, go call him.
No! I'm gonna call Miss Bev and ask Miss Bev if I go over the yard. Cause any of me here see you go over the yard, Zoe. Make your alkaline and a vibes cartel and a Sean Paul box. Okay? The whole in 3 boxes me I give you. So now, and I'm a matter of fact, one more thing to it, so I have to start good on there. What reason? Cause my son start have money. You see the man, the woman don't sell his shop, so me will get money. Soon as my man, woman sell his shop, me go and get some like a chum change money.
All you shouldn't shame for say for your man, woman, a sell shop for give you
Shame
money.
our. Shame our crocodile face, girl.
I'm make you walk,
Who? And me feel my cook. Who want this? It's a dirty girl, man. My stone them now come up. Good pussy crocodile face, man. Hey, I'm in hand me swing out. Come on. Hey. Tell me, see you look peeing up. Come here now. Come now, girl, where you go? Come on, now stop going so.
Where you get rum from?
You mean when we get rum from?
Yeah, where you get rum from?
Brother-in-law. Me sit down at the bar down there, so what listen to the girl? Down at the bar down there, so I drink rum.
And where you do take it?
I claim, if I want to get along there, drink rum. Claim to say the girl and cousin. Which me not buy the story there, cause me not idiot.
Right.
Cause only part time me and man claim to say we are cousin.
Yeah.
And the cousin make soup. So,
Cousin boy good.
no, we are not cousin for real. But you
I know,
understand
but
what I
me I
mean?
say cousin boy good. So, may I say that for them down
We
there?
go confront him about it, but the whole situation, him and my sister,
And
and
what
tell
he
me say, oh, me love my wife so much. This and that and this. But I never put my hand on her and somebody there and there. I mean, I'm chat about home. When I say something that I tell you say him pretty dead. The man I watch about girl, I overhear the conversation. Me and my sister chat about it.
Oh.
So the man pretty dead.
Oh.
Then the man chat about her and my sister will be a big old dirty drawers. As in take her, as in pull up in dress. So you see, big old dirty drawers. That's why something dead. So if you make you know, so listen. I feel like I can't go class with my sister. You understand? Yeah. And then I go tell me say, behold, come sister front get mad. Cause when you just know her front did fat. So if you make you know, so listen. And because you name down my sister front. Just my sister front get maga.
Right.
Don't look maga girl we have down there. I don't know what she name. But it's so-called cousin. I'll put fair mouth. Me fi ginger the girl. Me fi ginger the girl.
Oh, pepper, you should have pepper him, girl.
Oi. You know some around pick people, not true. So girl, I'm first take up rum and go with because I know some sister money use and buy this around. No boy now spend my sister money like that. I'm gonna get a taste out of it.
Guess what? You did wrong for that. Cause you did for sure if I your sister money, I just go down, they go take up a man room. That's not nice.
Listen to me now.
What?
You know, give my sister no money. And if my sister not collect for something pension, me will collect it for her. You understand? Okay.
Yeah, but I want to know say you're wrong for that. You should have got there, God do none of that.
No, cause I say me wrong for do. Me not wrong for do a thing. Me not wrong for do nothing.
Then
me do it.
What you believe?
You're lucky, so me never do worse.
Okay, that too.
You're lucky.
Go on my business. You're right now. Me can't take.
So where you come from?
No, we are.
Your man masculine. You are there on this.
No, girl. Bye. We'll make you go look for man and look so. Which man wants to see this?
Enough time I do it. So why you wanna do it now?
Boy, I feel up one damn dinosaur.
So, mommy, you know, Ted? Well, you lick them now get you now.
Stop it, man. Lower your voice, no, man.
She's the truth. You can't get you now.
No worry about me. You know, just take on the book and get on the education.
Every day. And listen, mommy, we are doing it, yes, but just see you, I get abused every day. And don't make me run for money. It's not good, like.
Me know. But all I know do, and I take on the book, and I make sure I get independent here. So nobody, man, woman, beast, or child, no go through what me go through here. But it not always.
Praising Jah, Holy Emperor, ha ha.
You alright, baby?
Yes, praising Jah, Holy Emperor.
I love hearing you sing, man.
Yeah, but me not like how you wash it all at the top, the man I wash it bottom there. I third year this, you know. Third year this.
Sorry, no.
Bottom wag
was
close not washing.
No, man, was going to, but remember say, is you hurt my finger, you know, I can't wash as much. You can only do the light thing. Remember, just squash my finger.
So, you make up your mind of selling the shop, right? Me I get a buyer for you today, you know. $1 million the buyer. Can we make sure we call him, you know? $1 million
Oh, be my
shop.
shop worth more than that. Which $1 million be? You
Yeah.
can't. No.
You don't love me?
Of course, me love you.
You want me heart feel me?
Of course, me love you.
So,
You're sick.
huh?
You're sick.
Yeah, me have heart feeling because of the mother. Because of your mother.
I rum. At the rum. At the rum do it.
But no, some of me make you go sell the shop. But we gonna eat when I sell the shop.
See, we only eat. No one only eat. Everything when I shop, I come up here, so now we have food to eat.
But it have got done quicker.
Done quicker way. Done quicker way.
It got done quicker. Remember, daddy, remember saying the dog shop in there have snacks, I got mac and cheese, I got everything. And once I buy, put up, I got take time, eat all. Say, now got done quicker.
Teach you something how we are going to live longer. She go sell the shop. She go pack up everything, right? Me don't eat mackerel, but I don't eat mackerel. We don't pull one thing of the mackerel every day. And a 3 piece tonight, 3 little piece tonight.
You drop mackerel every break like
It don't matter which one, a 3 coming out it. So a 3 I don't know. We're not going to eat one piece together.
No, a 2. I guess mackerel like 2.
Well, no. Me don't eat mackerel, but me just think that 3 little fish coming out. You know. You sell the shop, right? Now me and you go up on a nice honeymoon when I sell the shop. Now well, yeah, this is the money when me I get to deal with my heart failure. I put the rest on trading. And you know, so you get a big plaza.
So that if I have a heart failure, you're supposed to have a machine for you keep up a heart like.
Come on, it's a big people argument.
No, remember some guys school that they are what them say. If there's something they hard, you gotta have something.
You see the teacher them where they teach, you know? Tell them to come talk to me. Because the teacher them are done.
They can't talk to you. They don't.
Oh no, stop it.
I tell you a long time, I say my bird and for my blood, you know. You should have locked your foot when that one come out, you know. Yeah, you should have locked your foot when that one come out.
No, B, it's true, them hungry. Run girl shop and tell Merkel to send me sell if you give you some snacks.
And tell Merkel,
to eat.
Listen.
Alright, B. Remember, so we go on holiday. Holiday, baby.
If you don't put manners in them, I pick your head.
Alright, you put manners in them.
No, daddy, we have manners. I don't see no.
Better.
Daddy, remember, so we love you. I wanna want
yes,
to
B. I remember your heart.
So remember,
I don't want nothing to do your baby.
Pressure upon your heart.
Alright, B. Alright. Go run to the shop now. Run.
Tell Merkel say I last day today.
In last day?
Yes, in last day, shop I sell today.
After your last day for earth, good price.
Go on, before I beat you, go on.
Come here. Talking to you.
So we go on holiday, B?
Listen me. I told the people them there, I tell you, so we go on holiday. Me and you can never go on holiday. Me and you could never go on holiday. You not fit for holiday. You don't fit for holiday. You fit to turn a yard and clean and wash and cook. That is your job. When the day or so, you clean, I'm the man here. Right?
Papi, think about it. If me sell the shop for $1 million, you're not going to get what you want.
You have the brains, right? Me not have the brains. You can do the maths. You can build back a bigger one when you sell it for $1 million. You have the brains. Just sell it for $1 million. Sell it with everything, right? Give me the $1 million, make me flippy.
Papi, it don't make sense. It's more than that. In the shop.
No.
Let me hunt, let me look and find a good buyer, and then you can do your heart, and maybe you can go on the holiday.
Which holiday?
No, all right, you can do your heart.
Yeah, you me say, look when me I talk to you. Look in at my mouth when me I talk to you. Up here, me there. Look here, so. You see me? When they come and talk to you and say, if you do so, you do so. When me say Ray, you hear me say? When me say A, a B, and I know C, and I know M. You understand? You hear me say?
Me hear you.
Oh dear you. I try if you make me look like me smart. You not to grab it. You not to grab it, pick them and give them 2 back.
No, I'm not deal with them, baby. No deal with them.
Deal with what? Bark like a dog. Bark like a dog. Bark like a dog.
Go on, no,
What me say? So, baby. Meow.
to me so?
Meow!
Why happen to me so?
Meow! Say meow!
Meow.
Woof! Woof!
Woof, woof.
Yeah, jump now, jump. No, jump. Yeah, jump. Twerk it.
You don't like me when me twerk.
Twerk it. That's a shake. Twerk it. Yeah. Bubble and a wine and a good and a boom. Yeah, you have to do that too. To turn me on. If you want to turn me on, that you have to do. You make young girl out the road now to twerk it and boom. You don't have to do anything. You have to go for your head top. Yeah, when you're in my bed. No, I don't want that.
B, you really have load it up out of the house, make everybody hear.
Me tired of it. Man can't feed pan chicken for 7 nights straight. He will glide in. You have to come up with a new style. Every day you have to have a new style in the bedroom. You have to tuck your head sometime down in the corner of the bed. Push your head in there and cock up your bumper and make your man down in it. And your head down there. And when you say you're black and blue, you take you up back quick.
So that you going to do me, baby. So if I put my head in the
No, it's too late. You're fragile now. You can't take nothing. You can't take a thing. Me go a bar. I'm going to get the buyer.
Bar again, B.
Huh?
Bar again.
You want me, Tanya, and beat you?
All right. I'm sorry. Oh, God.
Hey, you look so cool.
Yeah, right. Oh,
Yeah.
God.
To
We just take nothing, man. We just take a little breeze.
Oh,
Yeah, right.
whole life.
Yeah, man. Yeah, give thanks. I give thanks to me have somebody help me in the shop now, so I have to kill myself with it. Girl, we hire, but me have staff.
Staff? What you talking about?
Me only have one, but me have staff now.
Aye, yeah, going good. Me love that famous sister. Me love that. Me not tell no lie. Me like how you're elevating a life and you're moving forward. You not make nobody hold you back.
No,
man.
sir, you mad?
You know, cause you pick them when you have, none of them now hold you back.
No, man, them
They
is
go
good
forward.
girls. Them have imagination, but them is good girls.
Me love that man. Love how you do it him.
Remember when me start with just 2 bag juice?
2 bag juice and a
banana.
Me just cry.
Kriya, me have staff now.
That is
go
it.
work that more money that though, but
Auntie.
still.
Well, go on. You no good?
We'll come back.
No, me not good.
Where them a come from?
A shop.
Oh.
Me not good.
Can't let them loose on the road and can't look about them on the road. We take them. Carry them in the bush, go juke
Auntie,
them.
I'm glad this year.
Glad
No more glad to see you, auntie.
Me I say this thing. You can't tell mommy to just back up and go. Yeah, for true.
What do you mean by?
Because daddy beat her day and night.
Shut up your mouth and fuck up your foolishness.
And daddy tell us if we go sell the shop.
Sell it shop.
Yeah, the shop.
Sister, what really a go
I
on?
don't like your imagination, you know.
If the person who are running
Staff say I ain't
last
last day. That's why we just come from the shop.
Why every time I come here, you know, go on next story. Every day me hear say I get butter, bro. I want to go
I'm
on.
full of imagination. I saw you for right story in your vocal composition.
How can I hand them again? How can I hand them?
Which one I hand for what?
When I hand them.
Which one I hand for what? Let's me have me 2 hands. Shut up your mouth and come out a big people argument. Eh?
I want really a go on.
You love round up your mouth too much.
Daddy tell she say him have what? Heart failure?
Heart failure.
So if you sell the shop for $1 million.
Shut up in the mouth about foolishness. You see them you pick me? Them not like see black people have anything, you know? Me love you know. But sometimes me wish we did dash with the belly and clamp it tighter.
Come on, your sister.
Sure man.
And you know what? With Uno? Me sorry, me never help Uno mama buy the pillar and dash no way. Why not keep on a tell lie? Why? I say I'm going to tell lie.
Imagination.
I say I'm going to tell lie.
No, I'm in a grow
It's not no lie.
You see, anything is in the dark will always come to the light.
Always, you know what? When I go in the house, wash my plate in the house, wash. Go wash the plate them.
Clean too.
Go come with toilet and go wash the plate them. When the damn head dry like a patch can. Go in there, so. Come, go in there.
Go on.
Go in there, so, man. You see, I could pick down where you have. Then I don't know if I raise up my mouth. People have to hear my mouth. And me go and me kill them with liquor.
And sometimes me feel so they need that, you know.
Me say, look, some of box down 1 of them or 2 of them.
No bother hurt your hand, can end tough like a leather.
Listen to me, no, man. You need to stand up like a woman and do what you do. You ever keep on a ha for people if you listen more listen?
You know,
Box them! Take the dirty slippers and box them down.
Hey, if we feel box them every time, them know them place though.
Know them
it's
place?
just every time them slip, chill them excited for
You know, tell some big people that don't put them much in a hit. How they know them place there, so? Tell me.
Well,
How they know them place? Every time you hear chat, they come, oh, daddy, you beat mommy.
I know where they get that from.
You know where they get it from?
TV.
And we so know.
The TV.
TV.
And them social media
try
thing.
make sure say nothing no go so. Cause if something go so, you may get pay head lick.
Go away.
You mean?
Go away. Which man can touch this? Which man can touch this? Hey, my girl.
Oh,
if him ever drop on him head and think saying can't even do so to me would have shut him up back up. We now kick him up even back. Hey, you don't know me a who, you know. Me don't know who me a who. Me a bad girl and can't
take
trouble
time
me.
and talk there. Take time and talk. We don't want to hear about them no business.
Aye.
Oh,
Can't
can make sure
trouble me,
some
my
man there
girl.
better bruise. I can do not like that.
No,
If
man.
that a go on, you may beat him man too because sister, even if you know better than that, you make the man put no hand on you.
Can't put hand on me.
And you pitting them if I lie, them I tell it they need a proper ass. And if you go in, they go give them some rotted lick.
them. Trust me.
If you not do it, I'm going to do it for you now.
I know your head hard.
Hello, I'm a niece them. I'm want to come out to something good in their life.
Yes.
You
Them
understand me?
have sense, but sometimes we don't know where the imagination thing and them TV thing and make them head go.
Make sure. That's all me can say.
Brittany,
Listen
which man could have mad for put hand on this?
are you man?
Hey.
Yes, you man?
Hey, if me can't
If
get
you're
you...
a man, you're a piece of tail man. I don't like him. I tell a friend no.
No, man, I'm alright. You just
Me do
sometimes
not like a
go
man,
drunk.
sister. Me, your baby father, matter of fact, I do not like him. I tell you the truth. That worse, I'm going to use and put your hand on you. A dead man that.
No, man. You have no bother call that down. Him drunk and him gone full. It could never.
I is an ex-idiot. Where they do with junkie? Tell me now. Where they do with junkie?
What me I gotta do, Brittany?
What you mean by what I do?
Raise the picnic. Look how much people out there not even know where them baby pa there.
Oh, you know, at least they know their father. They have a business. If whatever them attack us say go, you need to do.
No, go some man. You might
Put screw on the head for your body. Screw on your head for your body before it's too late.
girl.
Remember me tell you that.
Stop stress yourself.
not
Soon
stress
you go
myself,
come
oh.
down to my shop and have I go paint because Melissa do me bad and it kind of look bad.
Where
So
you go paint? The
You
house?
go paint up the shop, man. The house.
Tell about the house.
You go do the house after. You have to make my shop presentable as a place of business. If
Yeah.
you look, you get them now and a food me sell.
I need
have
to do
look at-
something to the house.
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
say, them come in and go in your house. Me nearly broke my foot.
No, baby.
Me nearly broke. Kuya.
And Melissa do it some man.
Melissa do this.
And Melissa
We
do
just
it
say
some
every time I
man.
make talk about them from over this I can lay them. So perfect.
No, man, you know, so we'll fix it up,
Get
man.
cement and cast this something. They tell
Aye.
people I walk on this
Adapt
so.
me for the
And I say me to look giant pit them I walk on it. Suppose they chop and broke them, they can't broke them. What you gonna do?
You teach them.
No more money that. Come on, man. The better than that. Sister
Yeah, man.
later.
All right. Love
Later.
you.
All right. Love you.
Love you.
Mm-hmm.
Chacha, me can't tell her.
You know, you mix up.
Uno is another one. Uno is another one. The first time when you do it, me never say nothing. Me come in and talk to you. Me come in and talk to you.
Weird. Why are you in a rage? Calm down, mommy.
Me never tell you to keep my business private.
No, mommy, listen.
Mm-hmm. You talk.
Imagine daddy come. If you not cook, daddy beat you. If you not move, so where you move,
He beat you.
If you move, you need to move.
He beat you.
Make up your mind. You constantly get hurt, abused.
And my business that. And my business
So where you
that.
go sell? When you sell in shop, how you go eat? How you go?
Go school.
Go school.
The most important part of education can you ever cost about it. Right?
Think.
God will provide a way.
Mommy.
God always provide a way.
Mommy.
Me gone from two
Mommy.
bad shoes.
God already provided. You have plan to sell what God provide.
So when God provide and then
And
God
then
say
you gonna
you
sell
sell
So
it.
what? Your father sick. Eh? Him sick with him heart.
You want to tell you what's your daddy gonna do today?
Daddy what? Daddy sick?
You say sick? Alright, me tell you what's your daddy do. You see when daddy left out the yard? You see when, before we come up here, cousin auntie? What will we see daddy?
Oh, daddy sick.
Mm-hmm.
He's
Daddy
sick
room
too.
bar.
If he say, I'm tell you, run now. No, do that. Because I'm believe. You see, every day I've had feel like you won't dare run back every day. See, when you cock up a drink. Because if you cock up a drink, it's going to get worse and worse and worse, sir.
Let me tell you something. You see, if the good Lord decide to take your pa, then that is between him and the Lord.
So
then
make it
no say make
Nobody sell the
it
shop.
No make nobody say shop. Make it
bed.
Make me no say. Me try everything. Cause me not have it per my conscience. So that man drop down dead.
So if daddy want one kid, they have to go there and give. For love.
You don't know what love is in a little girl.
Mommy, that is no love. Love and no abusing. That is no love. You can't get up every day and I take click.
But you think as much as him load up him mouth, you think say if your father never loved me, he wouldn't come here every night? How much on the classmates, me now go as far as school, how much on the classmates no know on the pa? On the know in the father. When the father come here, he never put a hand on him really too hard.
Because you're reminding him so he has to come back. He use a brain internet battle of the shop. Think about it. When would I tell you to sell the shop? You ever swung and do a second thought? When would I tell you to sell the shop? And your idea get beneficial after the shop. Okay. When would I want you to sell the shop? Think. Daddy now come, daddy gone.
You never know when he can come, man. Your father Wiley. But come out, take it off of your mind.
No, man, just think.
You're not too young for a fret and a worry with big
Alright, we're too young for go live Panish Street and we're too young for not go to school. Government we come for you know.
I don't want to turn an orphan.
Government will come for you.
I don't want CDA to come for us.
Exactly.
Let me tell you something.
I don't want to be on that part.
Well, when you go open the mouth out the street, go open the mouth out the street again. Whether it to be my sister or anybody else, what goes on under these 4 roads?
It already up on the road.
Remember
the neighbor. The neighbor.
She done spread it.
Well, we let them not need it from. Alright, lower your voice, no man. Them not need it from the horse's mouth. I'm a one on already. Me I just said one time me not Tanya when I pick me and me at the adult. Me not Tanya and debate we don't know.
So God forbid, suppose one day daddy take some lick and then they can make up back and you die. Whether they can do it with?
And that you want wish for me?
Me say God forbid.
Nobody call it down. Your mouth is the biggest weapon. But all me are telling us, say, as much as me protect you, open on the, make me hear, say, on the open on the mouth and chat my business again. Me will unalive you and me give on the life and me will take it.
No, I know we. I
didn't never feel worried about
I only miss you chat my business.
Mommy. So now come to Miss Ali shop. Why hear neighbor down there chat and say, sipping them there. They are peer them watch them and get beaten back center. Ma, and now we.
Uno me here.
Because auntie come and if you was back auntie,
well, no, don't say it to auntie. You know, sister, me not tell my family. Me not tell none of my family them.
Yes, you know why you don't tell them because I'm to your idiot.
No.
Yeah, man.
You have a set of mad aunties and uncles and things. And you see my mother and father.
But they say do Lulu.
No. Well, they can say what they want to say. They will come. When they want to be fatherless, they will come and unalive on the path. You don't know your family.
Alright,
for me, I'd rather be fatherless than motherless.
Stop it. Me don't want to tell you hear that. Or your father.
We'd rather be fatherless.
We'd rather be fatherless.
Me not listen to this madness.
Alright. Go and go break up your yard and soup. I will wash up the plate. Before Mr. Mad Chip come back and come.
Oh, let's stop it before me. Power no. Now take this thing for joke.
I don't joke. They're going to like a swiftly. Still what?
B. So I go for the shop. Oh, me not see the work I done, they don't come out now.
No, man, me talk to that. And that I go sell it. If they go sell today, don't worry about that.
Today, yeah.
You get a buyer already.
How much I sell it for?
$1 million.
You couldn't put 2 on me, man, so I'm get you like 1 million then.
We don't have agreement on that.
We make an agreement now. When you sell it for the 1 million, how much money me? It's a share sell it for the 2 million and you take a million, me take a million. So how the million I go share?
Fast money me want, you know.
2 million of fast money. How the money I go share?
You want 200 out of it, I mean just take the rest drink.
Yeah, idiot.
Hmm?
Hey. So now you had feeling you drink from.
So what I have to say?
What I do out of yard?
Well.
Mommy send you.
Oh,
See you.
from the time me send
No,
we
we go already. We're gonna come back and then she send me out again.
How are you? Tell her who she.
Are you
Yes,
cousin?
third night.
Yeah, what?
Your in-law, I'm a fact. Cause I'm the cousin.
I mean, never see this when they have family reunion.
That man.
You couldn't see me carry them cars.
Well, man, what the man do?
How was the man here, so?
Daddy.
Me want. What the problem with you now?
Have you seen it come from?
Yes! My strong side.
Come here, try say. When you talk, no smile with me. When you talk, you talk straight enough with this stuff. Talk. Talk.
No favor.
We no favor. So wait.
One year bigger than one.
One nose bigger than one. And one favor, yep.
You know, this is your favor, your mama. Go over your yard. Go on.
No!
Go over your yard.
Yeah, a draft. I think I'm about 1 year, no?
You pass me that black there. I want to you. What do you?
You want my talk?
What do you? I want the sweet time, man.
Why I go you say a thing out of your mouth? You say me look like a?
Your favor there, mama.
True. Yeah, my baby still there.
Yes, no.
I don't lie.
My mother look better.
You're right.
What? No, man.
So one bigger one.
Hello. Me tell you to this. Me tell you to move for me text now and bust it on the face.
No, I'm talking. We call up me now. Call up. You know. Oh, call up.
You see, hurt my feelings while ago.
Look, sir. Just you hurt my feelings by dashing away my rum.
I mean, try way. I mean, that's the way.
Listen, back on the business.
What? A million. How much I say you give me a tie? That next time you say me look like a baby mother.
What's wrong with it?
No, like a she. I say, let's like you give, but I say you go and give me, but I'm not flicking your mouth.
No, man, I'm not give bone.
I like crutches wait up. Piece up. You should say them picking their fake and they don't like a yen.
Well, when me did the pant up of the mama, me did the think about something else. And they end up
That's the other one is sinking, so.
And then favor the neighbor. But that's how you go. We just have to work with it. You see anything we get, me take it.
Anyway, start my business now.
Alright, plan the business. See me, I get a call, yeah. Hold on there. Bang, bang. Yeah, man, walk one. Forward, you can forward, feet. You can forward. Come, man, come, feet. Yeah, man, right here now. Alright. I call that. Come on, we are going to the road. Hello. Yo, here. It's when you go to me, woman. Just tell him, say, I check you have, I have to go to the bank. And get the money, come give me. Yes, man. I know she get the money. And me, if you get the money, I'm my shop. Yeah, man, me only make she running. But I'm my shop. Just tell her. Tell her, say, the check cannot cash now. And she cannot cash the check. She might have the brains to run business, but she not got the brains to understand majority of certain things. Yeah, man.
Long pipe, what problem?
Alright.
Hello.
Later,
Hello.
yeah? Alright.
No suppose no want to wipe off. Are you me a talk to, Maga girl? Hello. Are you me a talk? Yes, you. You come. Me don't know about me stay. She come. She walk slow and she start to take her slippers and brush her slippers. What do the slippers? You just slippers and brush off.
I'm going to ask you the same question. Who that?
No worry, who that?
Who
None of
that?
your business.
Mine, you play with me, you know.
May I play with who?
Mine, you play with my feelings, you know.
No, you know you alone me want, honey. You don't say that.
Okay, baby.
Don't say that, honey.
Mm-hmm.
God, yes, sir.
Ooh.
This is how... Hello, chef, you know her?
Huh?
You know her somewhere?
I don't know her.
I'm a mad woman.
Maybe know you.
Excuse, come and sweep it to call your rubbish. Excuse what?
Yeah, what?
Oh my gosh.
You know how my girlfriend this her back. She this woman.
Huh?
Where my God this way I say? You know me? You big long black girl.
Yes, string bean.
Nothing wrong with being a string bean.
Nothing wrong with being a black girl. You see, I'm a black beautiful girl. And black is beautiful. Bright.
Anybody tell us that you're beautiful, I lie them at
No, I grudge me now. Grudge me now.
Girl, anyhow me don't look like you may commit suicide.
Alright.
Girl,
If I were you, I would have jumped and die.
well look
You
at
see
you
that,
for me.
Huh?
Answer the girl. Answer the girl.
Answer him.
Yes.
Answer him.
Yes.
Chat no.
You afraid of her?
Speak, junk.
You afraid of her?
No, it
It
I eat that.
will yam me.
It will near you.
It will
Yeah.
near me.
Oh.
It will near me.
Me can't.
Come me not do this girl. This girl come and
Hey,
take
me
a
not
pass
see
with
you.
you.
Me not see you.
I win first, right? Yes.
Little crutches, girl. Where crutches are walking up, girl. From me,
Bring up, mommy.
smell you know.
And you smell, I tell people know your nose. Can me brush my teeth this morning? Something wrong with you. But you're ready to go.
You're fine to work with me.
You,
Me not in a.
oh, you embarrass me too. Who we are go? Come up here, so. You know, say he's not a man.
Even
He's not a
you're
backside man. He's a little boy. The woman of this people, they can't back me.
A style the man with the money.
Which money? Remember, say a baby mother and man. If a baby mother and man, you're not yam. Look at what she. You woman of this people, they can't back me. It don't, hey.
You know, anti-basket, you load them
Hey.
and one. Make them
Hey.
thing in their ear,
Hey.
you load them. When they hear them, you load
This
them.
all back, man.
This me I say what? You know nothing about me?
Me don't even know nothing about you. Me don't know nothing about you. I don't see you.
Look a boy, go on.
Look boy we are. You are for a person of chatting cause you couldn't if me boy one boy you should have shame yourself cause you if me one boy where you be. Your gender even depend this earth yeah. So behave yourself.
And this is
You
not
know-
together, this me. This one.
This
one.
Where?
Me did a pass peacefully you know. And I only see me and I work with me now. Me did
Who say I with you? You come and take out slippers and I bust out.
I swear look up. Hey girl look up so
If me did one dinosaur and yam you, are you underneath your smell? Are you underneath your smell?
me know say
Man.
anybody want near me cause me delicious. So
You're not delicious, you stink. You stink on Molly. You stink on Molly. Nobody can yam out you. You're too nasty. You don't bless in 1969. Dirty girl.
Me not business. Watch out.
Come on. Make you work all this. Come on.
You make
You're
it-
damn mad at string bean.
That's so what Jesus did and make her put on and
I tell you.
Come, me see him, come, me see him. Come, me see him, me see him.
Make a girl this me don't even word.
No worry about that.
Hello, how are you call? Let's come over here, so girl. Come over here, so. Me I talk to you. Who you call about this? I style you just tell me in front of me man, and give me much money.
people mad.
How that concern you? How that is it that I think with you now? You see your damn head big and you kill off with mother with your big head. Cause she never have to push out a monkey like a you at birth. Should I be here right now?
Alright, gecko lizard.
At least me a gecko. And you a monkey. No face with me. Me a bigger sister.
When
Me a
ca-
bigger sister.
when-
Where you go?
When call you?
Gecko.
Enough of a gecko.
Come up here, so girl. I tap it. Me box it on you, no girl. No ramp with me.
Call up and take a lick.
Where you go?
Me a go to uncle.
Every time me tell about that pervert man, they are good. Me feel like I say you like good on there, no. Cause I touch you. Me feel like you're feather before time. Me feel like under you, they grew up too much ear before time, so it a stretch you down there. What? Me a go, me not understand you. Already you drunk?
In dumb?
Me not even dumb. Go up in the yard.
And we are called them.
Me say me a go down a uncle. Go do what?
If you
Talk
want,
money. Talk out of the gateway and call him. Every day good enough for money. Where am I give money for? You do something done if you get money?
why uncle?
Me not feed you. Me take my man hard working money and feed you.
Every day ain't good enough for money.
Every day she gonna go collect money.
So why the uncle can't just give me a week money?
Me don't know. He like it. We say me the younger. The uncle they drop some kind and tell me if you bend over and pick up every one of them so you could look on me. And look where you wear good on there. A jeans pants, you feel wear good on there. Come up here so. Not jeans pants, me tell you if you wear good on there. Eh? Why we can put on my dress? You have a taste of that? Why you doing on my clothes? You have to say, make sure say we go up a yard, you know, cause up a yard me man a go. Make sure say you take out the chimney for underneath the bed.
Huh?
And she say take out the drawers and with the yellow something night you put it here. Make sure say take them out, you know, cause me and my man a go up there, me no want to share, me no want to vomit.
Me not think me want to go there.
Come on. You have mouth, no, you never have mouth, don't you say when the girl diss me. Come on.
Me not cuss woman.
Come on, man. A woman that. Me gone in.
Go and take your little garden.
Come on.
We not wrong. But
Listen, man, listen.
you
Why every time when me again? Hello, me I go by my business, you know.
and where you come from?
I mean yard, me I go, no worry about that.
I know from my yard, you go.
For your yard, and my sister yard, which one? Junkie.
My yard.
Oi. Why every time me see you, me see she? She is what? Your bodyguard?
Who you call bodyguard?
Do me a chat.
Who you are call bodyguard?
No, you're ready.
Come!
You're ready.
Come, let me talk about
You're ready. You're ready. It's like, you're ready. You're ready. You're ready. Come here, guys.
What's
Look
up?
at her face now.
We are fight because of far.
I'm not fight a cuss of her. No, she give phone about her, but she a go so. What you can do?
Me not afraid of you, know.
No, do something then.
Most of the time I come, most of the things that me are him.
Do something if you're not afraid of me. Do something.
Me can't do something to you. You're too big for that. Go sit down.
Me too big.
You will murder me off.
Don't try to embarrass me in front of my
What I mean
family.
by embarrass you? That's where that. That's your way. That's your way. That's your way, man. That damn junkie.
You come like you come.
Now wipe off my hand because you'll dirty up my hand with that friggin' rum.
You come like you see you and your sister the same thing.
Same thing.
Yes, you hold on is a termite in my life.
Right. Talk up.
You make him out say.
No.
I got
Your mouth say. Turn up as a man.
No.
Make him out say.
And I don't make my mouth. No, listen now. Will you run with I'm cousin?
Listen, be.
No, relax
No,
now.
what baby? No, talk again.
No.
You want to put termite in your life?
No,
In your life?
Me a termite. Me a
Me
termite.
ask you a question.
Me a
in your life,
termite.
You're what?
I'm a termite.
You're a termite.
Yeah.
And you're what again? You're a
Chichi.
dog.
Me a chichi.
He's a dog.
Me a dog.
Pan the ground, no?
No, me.
Go pan the ground.
Me a arthritis.
Go
Me
pan
a look at.
Go pan the ground.
All right, here, Simone here.
Understand. You don't understand. Right. Understand. Fire bright, son.
Oi. Yeah, girl.
How you look, so?
No, me come me tired to wait on you.
Listen, man. You want to know, say? Me see my sister, man. And you see me could dirty girl where me kill me say cousin.
Girl, that at least a while ago me a come and me hear them a chat about how them a go sell somewhere wish with today and taking money and them a go do this and them a go do that. And they say, me don't know, I must see some shop business, some so you say I go sell and feel how much in mill or whatsoever. Me didn't really appear them no money no come, me never did want look too fast. So me just a walk slow.
Shop, them a plan to sell. Because me hear me two little niece and they are say it, you know.
Me see for your brother-in-law. Yeah, that one there. And one next big long
Our. No, it's what?
Sister on a chat.
What?
Why so like my sister your chat?
Look a girl. Where the look opinion station nowadays? When you see people that talk, wanna keep on cock on the mouth in people business. Go on by business.
wait there before you run him. How your sister look?
My sister named Kayla.
I don't know that the name.
Kayla.
Describe her. Describe her.
Samantha.
Kayla.
You know, say because of one big slim, you see I'm
Listen, me not think of she that.
No.
Girl just no. Go on with
No,
business.
girl, listen to me now. Listen, but you're too fiery. You want mother fire?
No, this
Chill, mother fire. Out your fire for a while. Sure. A while ago, I made a right here, so because one big, long, black, ugly, tough, turbine, big eye girl.
But me just
because one big black girl, you so with turn up, you so with your brother-in-law.
Me be a difference, but this a girl here talk.
Okay, well, maybe not, but it's very
So
much
what you
coincidental.
still doing here? Me not tell us
Go on,
one.
yeah, little girl.
How you
Talk to
do
your
cut
mouth
here?
if you have a goat.
If you ever goat, if I me like mama, me sister sit here come out of me.
But girl, may I tell you, say, me call you for tell you,
That's
say,
my hospital.
me hear say, I go sell something or do something. Me no know what. But me feel, maybe you will know. So me say, me I go tell you.
Me don't know nothing because me hear me niece them I say
You're a counselor for your family, so me feel like you know everything.
No,
so me
listen
say, me I
up.
tell you in
Me
case.
say me hear me niece them I say, oh, Their father beat their mother and how he want to sell the shop and same thing. So
me hear the man on the phone I saying go sell something today. How him I got this and the girl I said B and the girl when the girl is there, girl said B defend me now. I said girl I go on.
B, you sure?
Me deaf.
What me too? Yes, I know. When time I go there to batter them, you know.
Batter them then. Cause I say B you can't defend me way this way or that. So
don't worry yourself. Me I go down and come back.
Yeah, me sitting right
here.
Don't worry yourself. I'm tired. You all like cussing take out everything out of me.
Oh God. Can't believe. What am I gonna do? Girls.
Mike!
Nothing.
You know, long wash here. I'm hungry. The ice now.
Oh God. You can't drink ice from empty belly.
I'm going to shop with them, so one.
You know, so me sell the shop though.
What? Huh? You know what? We're not here go here no clear. Yes, do what?
Like say it's a surprise. You know, hear your father talk about it from this long time. You sell the shop, man. Get him off from the back. You can't take the pressure. Yeah?
What is the shop?
They get a nice price for it. You get them. Well, Mr. Johnson say I check him have. I mean, I no account like that. So, him say I could come back tomorrow with the money. So.
We did
How you go dead for money?
We dead.
How you go dead? Money I go come in and shut on the mouth. But, you see when me get the piece of money, don't tell your father. Me I go find a different hiding spot. Him can't find this you want. Every damn time we try to save something, him find it.
Oh, you answer that question? Is my fingernail them? You see them, not you? Me fear yam them. What me gonna name tonight?
Shut up your mouth.
Jesus! Morning, Father Abraham.
Can't be. Stop it.
Hard manners to me, you know. Come with thump out your teeth.
Daddy. Good evening.
Evening.
I'm hungry.
Me too. Cause we don't have any matter we should have cooked.
Me 4.
Anyway.
Not 3.
We don't talk about that. Your sister.
Daddy.
You tell your sister say when you see me park.
Daddy. Make a phone to buy one bun. Me hungry.
We need it too. Tell your sister say when you see me park road, I drink and I have time with my family them. You know coming at the argument. I don't come influence me and this my family. You know say if I don't lick me, big man like me, I can't beat me for. Eh?
Brittany lick you?
Hey, I try your sister, you know. Call me there, grab that and choke you, know, man.
I know me.
And you forget them back. You forget them back.
Go inside.
Guess what? We cousin him from daddy's side. Nice.
And you have to talk to them, you know. Tell them they come and run bar when they are run bar.
So run bar you go.
They were picnic.
We are pass with daddy, and my dad beg daddy want 200 to buy something to eat. And then I see him with one lady. And daddy tell me say the lady is his cousin. The lady tell me say she's our in-law.
Well, are you cousin for true? Come on.
Yes, never seen her before.
Yeah, man, I'm a cousin.
I want daddy.
Huh?
I want daddy.
Come out to big people argument,
Business.
I
man.
said daddy, me ask me daddy.
Listen to me. I don't want to come in my business. You see what I mean? In my business, don't come in my business. Yeah? You know, picnic. Picnic, no come in an adult. When you sit in a zone and tap with little short in pan road. Stop it. If I your mother young days on a fella in a rotty.
Oh no.
Stop. Make your sister wear them short things upon road. Man, we call off and stop it. Man, we take
Cockroach, watch beggar, don't make it catch you. Boy!
Go on in. Go on. It's alright, B. Them not mean it. Go on. Go wash up the plate, them. Alright, babe.
listen to me. Stop make them wear them something there. A whole heap of pervert upon the road. Yeah? Pervert to take them away. And go battery dolly them. And dash them with a bush. And we can't find them. And bury them in a shallow grave.
That's true.
And we, the parents, cause it for ourselves. We put picnic in some haul up tight, and some of them haul up here for them front show. And them cause it. Because some of them money up on the road, no have the conscience to say, boy, I pity them. Them will live too.
That's true.
Then take them away, do what them to do, and murder them pant up for it.
That's true. There's some bad man on the road, you know. Some evil man. Some hard man too.
The man that I say, me want God set a trend.
Put it on.
When the man them see the little pick them on the road and take them away in a vehicle, and do what them to do, me want as them customers go in and hit them, just jump over them.
Yes, I that for do them.
Because the man don't have no heart. And yet you make me picnic then they go on the road. So next thing man, you go take them where I cut off their neck after them done do what them do with them.
Please God.
The man don't have no heart. Me tired of telling you.
Some men have no heart for true. They forget them thing lob off, how they wicked and bad.
Missy 200 in your pants, okay? Can I take it, please?
If you touch it, if you make it hair off of the $100 come off, I use the shovel in your head here.
Alright.
Everything.
Well, yes, sir, go back in there and wash up the plate, man.
Listen me.
Too bright.
The man them.
But I must have washed the plate already.
Go find something good do. Pick up your book.
You're not going to cook.
Take your book and come out a big people argument.
A joke, yeah? Daddy, me I take your money, yeah? Me I go shop, me hungry. Yeah, daddy?
Get inside.
Mr. Where they get it from? As we say,
See you.
you need to talk to them. Put them down and sit them down. Cause no man now partial no pick me again. You too much pick me and miss. You too much pick me and miss. Me could have look for one look girl to in one tight and me see split and me I go say, me I go take with that girl and go do him to do and murder her. No. Me cannot do that.
Evil man would have done that.
Me cannot do that.
No, one evil, dirty crosses man would have done that.
It go 2 ways though. You see, some man will just see a girl picking and take them away and murder them. Do them to do and murder them, no matter what the age is. After that, next thing, you have some of them look a young girl too. They know what they do. Them definitely know what they do. Some of them, they're a taxi man, they have Mark X, they have Haxio, they have BMW, they have Benz. They might look a 13-year-old. Look at Marvet, look a dirty girl. Me see the little girl. I come from school. You want to know when come out? One BMW. When me see him come out, me see him spray up.
Down. Let me hold it.
No man, me hold me shovel. Me see him spray up. So me say, look girl, you how much again? Come in when you know. Me just want to hear your time out. Me at 13, sir, why problem? So me say, you just come out of the BMW, yeah, spray up. So what? I'm a man. So nothing wrong with me spray up. Me no want me. So me look at him from head to toe and I analyze him from head to toe. And I wonder if this a girl at 26.
And they even reach
I
16.
spray up with color before I reach. I don't know for them picking doing before they reach their yard, you know. After them done doing them dugu, they spray up themselves. But the mother then not have no sense to put them on the bed and kill them out and look up in at them. As they notice, if a suspect has say she had do something, put her on the bed and check her. The mother them for do it, not the pooper. Cause some of them pooper they ring and nasty.
Some of them pooper nasty for true.
Nasty,
baby, nasty.
Why you refer it off of me?
Me just agree with you.
Listen me.
Me agree with you.
You see her later, you have a heart to get you know.
For what woman do me agree with you, baby?
Everything your sister do to me, you get it back.
And me.
Yo, go on in and me thank you for selling shop. God bless you. And may your food basket never empty again.
So that means you're happy with me again, baby?
Yes, baby, me love you. You know, no more money put on somewhere. You feel like you want to add for the shop money we sell. Eh? You don't feel like it?
Go in, then.
Eh?
But like how you love me, then you can put down the shovel. You not feel me tonight, man. You not feel me tonight. You can love me tonight, man.
No, that's what love mean. If me not beat you, me not love you.
No, then
If a
sometimes
man
you cannot love me that way.
Eh?
I mean, I like it, baby.
They always say if you
me.
want somebody love you, make them beat you.
No,
I see them
baby,
beat
you
you.
hurt me the other day. I think you cracked my ribs, you know.
No, me not crack it good.
No, baby.
Me not crack it good. Go on in.
Please stop. Me sell the
Make
shop.
sure you have 5 minutes to
Stop
prepare
it.
my food if you don't want to beat. 5 minutes. In
Just
5
tell me,
minutes
stop,
past.
just stop beat me now. All the girls them a talk about it in a nice for the girls them grow up in a this be.
Them a tough time with you. Warning. And by the time me come back, the food must done. You hear me I say? Me soon replace it too. You're the the last budget.
Brother,
Oh God.
Steven,
Well, we got see
hungry.
food in the house. To cook.
no, not in there.
I lie you they tell.
Alright, if you're going
The
there,
cupboard
tell her where you
full.
see.
One go look.
Me tell you what you see in there. You go see mackerel, corned beef, no rice no in there, no flour no in there.
No, me buy 6 pound of rice the other day.
Mommy.
That's the other day.
Even person that me enough. And but him say you don't eat mackerel.
Anyways, back to the money. So how your money go?
Well, we got see him and him say him a go pay your father the money. So I'm gonna give your father the money and at least then he can take it and go do the heart surgery and maybe get a personality change or remember who him is or whatever.
We did.
They did what? You know, say your father going to be in a better mood. And enough for suffering with him, man.
And it's not his heart, it's his soul. His soul is already gone bad. It's not his heart. His heart is okay. And his soul, I'm again, this bad personality. Not his heart.
Let me tell you something. It's still your father.
I
mean, notice, you know, what?
He did.
Hey, little girls.
And me can,
If it wasn't for him, you know what they are.
me can better say, no, the daddy if it's true. That just taking money and got near me.
And if I don't near me, go near me.
Spend it
on girl.
That's what I don't like, we don't know, you know. And I love round up in the mouth like saying, you love round up your mouth like say you're big people of size. And if you stop it, man. And then when your father come, you rile him up. It's like
So
say you want
rile him up.
No, him is your father. Any problem me and him have is between me and him.
Oh, maybe just left him alone. And
Yes, no, you have to shut up your mouth now. You alright, B?
On the road, me I come out to something and do the surgery. So, you know, make sure you say, you know, work with the mother today, because today is a happy day for me. Today is my celebration. My woman cheating me today for surgery, sell the shop, right? Nice. So, we want all of us to be happy and nearby some tin mackerel come for now. So we can get
Okay, so before you buy the tin mackerel, go buy rice off.
A tin mackerel celebration.
what else you want me buy?
We already have
Go buy rice and flour.
Me tired of tin mackerel.
Go buy chicken.
You could buy some beef, you can buy some diced beef, and we can do some stew beef, and rice and peas, and vegetables. Yeah, man.
Beef who? When it says I can eat beef, yeah?
Watch out!
So,
We can't eat goat.
So,
Me say if beef
you say you're tired of chicken.
stand up when you talk to
Oh,
you. Don't
Jesus.
sit down. Don't raise your voice at me when you're
Oh,
talking and the man, yeah.
Jesus. Yes, it is.
And the man, yeah. That's when me attack, me don't want you attack unless it's attack.
Happy, today's a happy
If you
day.
beat me one more time,
Get inside
Beat me one
now.
more time.
Alright, go shop, me
second
say.
time, sit down there. When me tell you about the tights business,
Be put on
In long, you know. Because me sit down and say, look short.
when me tell you about the tights,
Me tell them, but they not go down where them gonna change me before them go down a shop.
listen me.
What
Oh,
meat
no,
you
no,
want?
you know-
What meat you want,
Tell me,
me?
say, no, no, I treat no respect for me.
Me have respect for you, man.
Me tell you, say, when them wear tights by the road, man, we take them way.
Them not up on the road, baby. Them in the yard, them not there in the road and the sun hot. Go inside, go change.
Ever see me like that?
Good, but you don't want a little sister. You better be give your mother morning after pill, she will come.
Alright, that's just
No,
what
I'm
baby is.
not
Alright.
about
Get
to
inside and change. I want you to go shop. Move.
You Get in
All
my
right,
head.
baby.
Yeah.
All right.
It's all
Today
right.
is a happy day. Get
And
inside.
if it get mad, it
Shut
after
up,
feel
get inside. Get inside.
Hey, mommy!
Get inside. Mr. Effie, get inside.
And that's why I feel
Move and go on. You go on inside and make sure she change
hold on.
all right.
You talk to me. When I come out of the yard, I take a bottle. Shop. You know who called me this morning? Patrick.
Who are?
Patrick tell me, say, he said, me two daughter them. I come out of a bimmer. Me, when I afford a bimmer in my life. Bimmer, man, I drop them off. And I two boy in the vehicle. 2 girls, 2 boys. You do the maths. You do the maths. Ask him.
That true?
I'm in nobody party.
Do the maths. 2 boys,
I
2
don't know
girls.
about that part.
1 bimmer.
So where you get friend with Bimmer from?
Silver bimmer that. Your father, me, never own a bicycle in my life.
That thing that come out there, so.
Yes.
Ask them.
Where you get friend with Bima?
What you get for me, Bima?
Okay, I'll see you
So what kind of Bimmer when I
What
come
kind of
out?
Ask them.
I must see back take bicycle time back taxi they will take cross coming from school. I must be my them there.
Sometimes Patrick love talking.
No.
Sometimes Patrick
Yes, me
love
bad,
talk.
yes, me bad.
Patrick never link no. Patrick have picture.
Yeah, man.
video.
Me know say the Patrick. Hey,
With them.
me
Well,
know
let me
say
show you
the
that.
Patrick. You
Because
gonna
me
link
know
him.
him
Feel
love
like a
him most
rum
enough.
boy. Yeah,
Love
gonna
him
link up
most.
with.
Ask the one yeah. When did they? Last 2 weeks. And the
Flash.
Yeah, me see I buy with come on, they say,
no, before that, one of the day. That time there.
Mommy said you go down and shop, go take out rice and chicken.
Me just send them
And
picture.
I go and get it, and we did done.
That's when we
Here,
did
sit
have
down
the
at shop
chicken and
front.
rice.
You see the
Then
lady?
we see the car park.
You see the
Come.
lady where you hire in the shop?
Miracle.
Yeah, for sell.
Uh-huh.
Miracle, big walkless, dirty foot boy. This is one here, lap up in a.
Murderation.
I suck this so I give it them. That one here.
That's you?
The whole
Alright.
No.
Daddy, we can ask one
whole
question.
cloth.
Daddy, can I ask one question? Who is woman where you say your cousin? Because you don't look like
Get
you know.
inside. All right, B. All right.
You don't look like you know.
But I choose.
One
We'll
minute.
chat to them.
I choose.
All right,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
talk
every
to
one
them.
of them want that to
So how you get defensive?
Me I chat to them.
Remember?
Me personally, I come to.
Get inside. All right, B. Put it.
I'll be back.
You see, you, I get money.
Shut up your mouth before me use it for you. Let me put this work. Every time him I take it and then lick me.
Sister, every time you come out here the outside, me never come see you in the outside.
Yes, it was hot.
What are you, a security guard? You've been craping, raking.
Work never done, my sister. Work never done.
So I'm going to cook everything already?
But what? How you look sexy, so?
No, say a regular day, man.
Which lucky man you ever see?
You want to know, say the man, the one named John, the one with the old name with a good face.
Okay, you're still there with that one now. You must
Man,
be
him
good.
not there.
Oh.
We're just friends with a little benefit.
Benefits. Okay, girl.
That is it. So, Patty, look up it.
Talk to the devil and them up here.
Hi, child. Hi.
Auntie.
Hi, what going on?
Auntie.
Every time I come up here,
Every time you have something to say. Go shop. Go shop for what me send you
I
for.
thought before.
Go shop before me say.
She's in the shop, daddy gonna collect your money.
We shop.
The shop, when you don't mess up.
So you don't like see black people have anything. You can't wait for me to talk to my sister.
Heart surgery.
Heart who?
Heart surgery.
Where want heart surgery for?
In heart I feel him.
Oh, the heart I feel him and my drink rum. Mommy,
Go
better
shop.
call her mommy sister.
Go shop.
on. Talk
Come
no
on,
man.
too
Daddy
big.
beat him left, right, and center till him beat and take his shop running.
Me I go beat you left, right, and center. Me I say no go shop. Yeah, people that tell me say una no nanas.
Oh,
Now go on to biggish man.
me Charmaine.
Yeah, me Charmaine no.
No, me go call me Charmaine because I could never my sister this.
You know what?
You're not the sister that I know. I want to go on for the business.
It's too much for me.
Too much for you.
So,
tell the truth and done. Talk the
sell it
truth.
for true.
And who collect the money?
What do you mean?
Who collect the money?
That is not your concern, sister.
Oh, so when them a talk, I
I'm
show
happy
them.
with the price. And him a go get him, look after himself and everything go alright. You mean I must sell it for profit.
If
Me
that,
getting all now, more relax.
you want relax. Relax with no money in your pocket, no business, not if you bring in money. No income. How you comfortable living like that?
Me do it once. We just bag juice and then we can do it again.
So you go back to bag juice and cheap chip.
Me not say that. You think so me sell me shop for your loss?
How you sell it for? Tell me.
Sell it for good money, man.
Good money where? Tell me now.
Good money, man.
How the money you gonna take and do?
You always a moan about the color of the house. Eh? You know why we fix up the house? If me have the shop, me have a run the shop will let me down, you know.
So what about the profit they will make out of the shop? Why don't you use it by at least a tin of paper and just
And that me
front part? I know that me I tell you say you sell the shop. Sell the shop for do what?
Me sell the shop, me go bet to myself tired, you know, Brittany.
Tired? Me can't bet you go dirty man. You give the money. Me not ask you. Tell me I tell you.
Baby father there, my children's father that don't leave them.
That man do not respect you.
Don't worry about that.
No worry about that. No worry about that. You soon see what me I talk about. Can you see you now? Your brain is not braining. I mean, understand. You see that?
Hold on.
See that?
Show me sell my little shop now and say me I go enjoy the rest of my life is a problem for you.
You know.
What you did there when me I wake up at 4 o'clock and I run shop and I run, eh?
Oh, so you go left your shop and you go soon start sell front out and road to get some money and
Me
all.
not have to do what you do.
Because listen, no come chat about me. No, me not come for argue, no Charmaine. Me not come for argue. What me I talk about? A front, yeah, I forgot say because me know say the man not give you no money. So I feel like you collect front pension from that the man they make a sad mistake. Cause you not no front pension for collect.
Me never sell front in my life. I'm in a plan to make.
Well, I hit you, I go do now.
Which part?
Cause the man not give you no pension. You might give front pension.
Me stop earn off of him long time. Me I make my own money.
Oh,
I have my own independence. If you know about independence.
Listen to me, independent or not. Listen, you see once you're in a man there, a man owe your pension for something. So make you stay there. Worse, I give him 2 pitney. All when time on the left, the man still like give you money, cause unless it's something no good, unless it's no good, you're not collecting a pension fee.
Every night him come home to me, you know, so something happy good. When me clamp him and deal with him.
Clamp
him
where?
must be good.
Clamp with what?
Him go run bar, yes, but yes, him come.
Then me over here chat about the man till he dead. And then me go up me, then him go chat about how, I be a big jazz of weird, as in get up and as a hard up his skirt and hard up his frock. And he go see big old baggy in something just drop back dead, so.
He miserable already.
Wait. That's all my man them a call. And money me I get right now, you know? Money me I get.
You talk about me a sell.
Money me I wanna sell me a sell. Listen now. Oh, you better put price for your front. We tell her that. You feel like me go skin out for free and I get nothing.
Okay.
Put price for your front.
Me have
me
my
sister.
dignity and my pride. And
dignity and pride. Oh, if you had dignity and pride, you wanna skin out for nothing at all. You would have put something for your front. Listen, I'm gonna take my car because
take your
the
car
money
and
important than this.
Sister,
later.
Me get my little profit. Profit better than wages, my girl. Me get my little profit. Low me make me retire in a peace. Oh, I like see black people have nothing.
Man, it take so long to come, man. What is a work list, man? You can't
Who you call work list giraffe?
Who you call work list giraffe? Every day you see me, you want to give me name. Talk about your work listness. What work list with? Every day you turn up at the pan road away from this man, leave people them man alone. Watch out now, you call me. Talk about like a me work list, right, Joey? You talk about like a me your bigger sister work list, right? Watch out now. Work list. But you said that uncle yard you go. Yes, I don't let me go. Right. I call Miss Bev, you know, and I ask her, I say, every day you go down there, where you go? Miss Bev say you go in her house, and the door lock. You the pan road, I call me what is, and I'm me asleep with my uncle, you know. I must lay down with your uncle, make every day you're going to go collect money. And uncle not so kind. He mean. So they're going to go do something called me what is. Hold on. I work. Me
Oh.
a babysit Uncle Baby.
Oh.
Uncle gonna work you know.
Uncle gonna work now. See, baby, I must say who the babysit. I couldn't know baby. Them big pitney they want 6 or 7 don't need nobody for babysit them.
Well, Andy, you feel like some I said thing.
Me I could never be the same thing because I'm not lie down with my uncle.
Listen to me, girl. You see, if you want to see, you come down, they follow me go down there now.
No, me not follow you go look for wood. You want go take wood. Cause you go on like say too. Me tell you beat up me too much for you now.
Sometimes
me
I wonder
properly.
where you come from if can you drop out from our because you're too workless, mommy push out and workless.
At least me never kill off my mama. At least my head never stuck in her boom and she can't push no more. And you kill off my mother with a big head. Monkey girl, giraffe girl escape out of zoo. No punch girl. Go with your business. Me to say wait for my good body man. And you come at
man.
So,
you man know why.
girl, if the man ever want me on selling woman shop, and me tell you this, girl, and me tell you if it's selling woman shop and he sell that. You see what goodness do? You see what is a goodness you do? Make boy sell a woman shop and you take man if you take man good. Move fight here, so me not argument with the little ranking girl. The ranking, thinking more girl come upset me Evelyn. Hey! All the man you next one too, you know, call me away for him. Walk up, baby, walk up, honey, walk up. Yes, baby, march up in this, baby, march up, hurry up.
Yes.
Yes. Where say I going for the money?
I get it.
You get it.
Yes.
I like to see money.
Yes. What time? Yeah.
That's a lot of money, honey, a lot of money. Oh my God.
Bricks.
Bricks, baby, bricks.
Yeah, but yeah, no.
No, baby, you put money in your pocket for.
I don't say work.
I work.
Oh, son, that you really can't do it. Mommy money when she used to shop.
I would, hey.
Okay.
Hey.
Oh, son, you're no cousin. You're woman.
Me and your stepmother. Me go and replace your ma. What the problem? Remember say she selling shop now. She not have no money. She broke like a dog. You can't kick her out now.
Shut too much.
Me no business. Every time you stinking pitney walk on rank with me. And you know, box them if they train them properly, they will come around and come and share you. You think if me there pitney could come share me? You think my little sister can ramp with me so hard? They must share me too much. Right. So if you know their place.
When me tell you so when the big people attack, when you walk past and in
No. You speak to tell mommy say I have a heart failure.
Yes, we have failure.
See the heart failure. See me here.
I
Yeah, now work.
I share replace the heart now.
No, yes, she have me heart failure.
Yeah, mother workless.
If me not the money, she gonna left me.
Let me try to explain now. Exactly. Mommy is the heart failure. Say get a new heart now. Say I go put in a new heart now and kick out the old one.
Yes, I own back I too. Come here, have no step pick me.
I can never have you as step mama.
You could never be a step like me no birth a pick like you. If me never in a
You're big enough, you know.
and me push out like you. Hey, I lock me leg and I left you at the hospital. Me no care come my yard. Oh
God.
never care come my yard.
Push me
Oh,
to your face.
me couldn't push out you. Me couldn't push out your dry head. You're dark like a midnight girl. Me couldn't push out something like a yo.
At least me
Oh.
not big like a
Hold on.
steak.
Me not tell her no come for the road. Me not tell her no come for the road, madam. Eh? And me not tell her no come for the road. Don't come for the road.
Where time for me argue with you later? It's
You're big somebody. You argue with the pissing tail. We not use your common sense.
I like you, me can't make nobody diss me. I have to defend myself.
Who you say this me?
What do you make the maga string bean, girl? This way. Your sister-in-law are this way. Now your daughter them are this way. Eh?
I mean, you got the money, you know.
Oh, yes, it should be, but you got the money, the big brick.
Yeah.
Big brick,
So,
baby.
no, listen.
Yeah? Why you not so stingy with the money now?
No touch. I mean, I give you some out of it. But I go for you, I go work.
You go for you go work.
Yeah. Come
You want work, I not give me no money. How that work?
No, while me I work, me I drop you one.
No, one when you see, as I drop the first brick, you take out the second
No,
brick.
that's how it work.
I saw you working on my book. Or is me a got me yard? Make up your mind.
Every 5 strokes is a $1 US. Come.
Yeah, idiot. Make up your mind. Go higher than that, man. Make up your mind quick before me got me yard.
Every 5 strokes is a $2 US. Come.
You can't say $200 US.
No.
Me you come got me yard then.
Every 5 strokes is a $10 US. Come on. Yes. Just work it, baby.
And this is spread the plates.
Mommy!
Awa.
Me tired. Wait.
Who are running
You see the shop money? Where daddy say my collect? Yeah, if you go do heart surgery, he might take it in. Well, no. Sit down, one day. Come on, where you at? He might take it, girl. Well, I shop money when you say my boy. Me da la heart. If you go do heart surgery, a girl ain't gonna take it if you go mine. I my God, girl, well, like he had one do from last week. She come and come so. And me, I want to renew stepmother. Who your stepmother? Which one when say cousin? The stepmother should say, boy, our family.
Hold on. A joke not make. Don't run them the kind of joke with me, please.
You see laughing, me not smiling, no. You see laughing back for it. You see
my shop that meat works sweat and blood and pillow.
Your husband take the money and go do a new heart surgery. He get rid of you and bring in someone new.
With my money?
No, my money. No, I don't fear money. I feel. No,
try no send a joke on not making. Try no send a joke.
When he come, you will see.
You can't go so. You can't. My shop money.
Me see I been a one little bag. What kind of bag that there? Like, you know, the one little bag, package like bag. With one heap of money in them. As in, so we are coming to Kenyan packet.
Hold on. Me know how to tell you know. Me know no like no father, you know.
I swear right now, so me not tell no lie. As Godfather got rid of cup down right now, make lightning licky horse. Swear. No lie. He ought to give woman the money and
wait there.
He want to get about 5,000 to be liquid in front of his wife because it not seem like you're his wife no more. Him say if the money done, she will go with it. So you that the idiot you look like. No disrespect.
My shop. No.
Which
girl I try to take my mommy? I go beat that.
Yeah, man. Beat that.
Me hear your father come in.
No, you have to go up and go back and fuck to the other.
So him not come in at all?
No.
Alright. You know what me also realize why me have the two.
Why we are looking in your room, you can't find out.
Come in here.
I do what?
Let's me talk to them.
When they come down, I can't chat, say. When they come talk, say.
B, you get the money?
Yes, baby!
I hear say, you give it to the girl you call your cousin. Yeah, give me one, baby.
You wish, girl, you mad, baby? I put it down on fixed deposit. I tell her I'm gonna flip it. And that then tell her, who tell her that? Who started? Who started?
You cause problem with me and your father, you know. And you and your sister come in here and I start tell me, say, if how your father have woman and show me where, and I give woman money.
And she started?
Yeah, oi!
And she
That's
started?
not true.
True where? Look at me. I'm a rum drinker. Me that give her money.
Question. Where money where? We see you pushing out. Down pocket, baby.
Baby, let me show you something. See the money, baby. How fix the deposit?
So, you don't care, though. So, daddy. You heart alright now? Feel better?
Baby.
Hold on.
You feel better now?
Me realize, say, you are the start for everything, you know?
You feel alright now, daddy? You just feel alright?
Nobody want that, here? See your father bring home the money, you say, Ingi girl. Me know what me I go do. I'm tired of this. We're tired of it.
Yes. Get rid of your backside.
You see you?
Yes.
You're the wicked. You're going get it. You're wicked.
They don't get it.
Yes, you're wicked. We say, heaven
yes.
don't want you.
We're tired of this. You? Come. Put it on. It's all my shirt. Put on it.
Hey.
Rain or no rain. You're for your grandmother. Lego. Listen for Lego.
And if you leave me,
all you are next. All you is next.
I'm here fine fun.
Come. You take it to your grandmother.
I'm here fine fun.
You caused so much problem. You.
How about this?
Behave yourself. Are you going to be next?
Oh.
Right.
Are you next, you know? Are you next? One by one, the whole on a good dong. Yeah? One by one, the whole on a good dong. You next. Go down. Jack a backside. Chat too much. Run. I want a sister here.
Oh, I'm glad you're around here. Make up on the road. You need to go see Miss Matilda and check on some partner draw. Before I go more and talk to you. You see how your sister in my business and big people business? You see where she gone? You want to go to your grandmother too?
No, but you don't have to say that. When she gone now, what me I go do? You know, I start chat to myself and go along mad.
Take your book.
Every
You have
day.
less distractions now. You have more Thomas in your ears now. You can take your book and start big up your grades them. Come and notice, you know, your grades them a slip. And you think some of the notice here at school? Should me that tell your father?
So what's our school?
You know, realize, say, me and Miss Wilson, they're on WhatsApp. Huh? Your form teacher and me.
Miss Wilson not like me.
Why she not like you?
Me the papa, right? You never put me papas.
What do I have to do with it?
Okay. But every time the party never issue out, me not get for me, you know.
Me know how you turn already, you know, so me not follow the one. Me not following that one. All me I tell you, say, you see, if you still a go on with your foolishness, a straight a country to your grandmother you go. Who you suck your teeth after? You want to pack your bag now?
Me never.
Me could never suck your teeth after me.
I never. I something there and I get up here so I'm not clean.
Know what you do. Mark yourself in a car. This is the last time me I talk to you about it. I know see your backpack already, you know.
Me know.
Okay. So it not gonna take much for me to just say no warning, cause this is the warning. Understand? You overstand? You know overstand?
No.
Okay. Rank with me again, mouth with me again, and we'll make you overstand. Me I got to Miss Matilda. And when me come back, me want to see everything sort out where they tell you for do. Cause the kitchen still need to clean up. And me can't cook unless it clean up. And me have money so me can't eat out. So you must know.
See, that's money, that's the shampoo.
Listen, man. Where did the money?
We do well with the money.
Can me tell my
We
woman
do
say no?
wonders with the money.
Oh,
please.
can me tell my woman say no? Me put on the money for saving deposit and me not put on the money.
Daddy.
Where out of yard?
Oh, me forgot. Mommy say, "Go, see what? Go do well with the money and look work."
Yes, me go put on the money and go look work. You see me, Jess?
Problem.
And work, me I go look. What problem? From man him left out of the yard. What the problem we do know?
So if a man in left with a yard, but they come here for the country now.
Yeah,
What
talking
problem?
Christian.
None of the
How she
problem,
I
brother.
go
So why you stand up here, Satan?
how she I
So
go
me I
replace your
chat
mother?
to you, me see you, me I chat to my father.
Me talk just with my man and you come and stop. Let me talk to your daughter.
Ah, you stay with them. You see, next one, my woman send with that. My woman have to listen to me and send with that backside. Less problem, less
This is a big
motivate.
walk, please, man.
Raw teeth.
Jesus. What wrong with you, Joey? You walk, listen. Every day you turn up yourself with man. At least in just good this time, and you just
Thank
put
you.
yourself front yourself. Who was self front? You. No, rank with me. Who was self front?
Yeah, money.
You.
I won't get
Who was
money.
self front? Sir, now look
I
at my
sell it,
money.
go sell anybody and get money.
You're
See how
bright,
much?
so she go on.
You feel like me
Hey,
I
look
said,
at 13-year-old, yeah. Look at. Babysit. What babysitting and get paid? Who pay you that money there, Joey? No, uncle. Yo, oh, after uncle don't touch your underneath him pay you. And you come and road. Me could never be the same thing as my uncle. Give you for your turn up yourself.
Big money.
Big money. Show me money. US.
On top of
Show me
US.
money. And not today me get it good yesterday, but two you not sleep a yard last night. And uncle a text and I need your maga backside. You never see it. Girl, me move out. Listen. Yesterday and today are two different days. You can understand. How much money he give for your turn up yourself? Show me. One heap of money, girl. A big brick.
Where did the money? Where did the money?
Me put the money to good use, and if you know nothing more, that's all you need to know. Where the question me find out she come. You make a little picnic program ahead. You make a little picnic program ahead. Me put the money to good use, honey.
She can't money up there.
I don't see no money. Probably a lie not tell. Probably I didn't give him no money.
Who? Yeah, my one for the shop, you know.
You say the shop sell. You know, look at your eye. Say the shop sell. I get the go on up.
You do the money for you.
Don't worry about that. Please, sometimes I want never scare your job from. Move man, cause I come and just be a soft like that swarm you. Awa.
Go take a walk up there. So come now, understand where you do the money.
Don't worry, the money is alright.
No,
we're in debt.
Jesus.
What's
no problem?
Oh,
here.
Where you move?
and where you are going, who you?
Where you go?
This woman
Who
when
you
say,
there with my man?
He used to say, yes, say mistress.
Mistress? Oh, who you there with my man?
What me say?
Don't do it, baby. Let me get to her,
No.
baby. Let me get to her. Let me off of my man. No, baby, let me get to her. Baby, let me get to her.
Stop down.
Is she?
Stop down.
Is she?
Stop down.
Baby, no.
Stop down,
No.
you're right. Stop
Stop
down.
Baby, but me serious.
Stop down.
No, man.
Me say stop down.
No, man.
Stop down.
Stop down.
You're right. I don't do this
No.
in front of
Stop
me.
down.
Don't
Stop
do it
down.
in front of her.
Stop down.
But don't today, baby. You
Stop
can't do
down.
it in front of me.
I'm a real
What
bad
was
girl.
No.
Stop down. Stop down.
Baby, no.
Oh, baby.
Well, I know that you can't do this.
Stop down.
No.
Stop down. I say sorry. No.
Baby.
What me say? Stop down. Stop down. Stop down. Stop down.
All right. Let me go around here and stoop down.
Let me tell
You
you.
can't do this to me.
Now let her shout. Right.
Stop down.
Girl.
Stop down.
Me tell you, you go see for yourself.
No.
You come see for and she can't see it.
I come back here. Hold this.
Girl.
Oh, come over here.
No.
You want to bend down? Give me bend down. You bend down.
Me love you, baby.
Bend down.
Actually,
Bend down.
you came me out the street.
Me love
And this
you,
me I deal with this. And this me I deal with this. It beat me.
Come here, come baby.
It robbed my money.
Sorry.
Give me.
Bring
Let
it.
me go.
It beat me and it's hell. Make woman beat me.
Go
sis.
down.
And throw me away.
Bend down.
sis. Get down.
Bend
Me have
down.
arthritis.
Get down.
Alright, me have it too.
Get down right to come back to you.
Sister,
Baby.
imagine my sister arthritis. You tell she to bend down.
Me never tell you to bend down.
It beat me and tell me to stop.
Listen
now,
to bend
sis.
down.
So I don't want
And if you
you.
pay your head lick out here,
You do it to me.
All right.
You do it to me.
bend down.
And it make me bark like a dog, sis.
Back like a dog, rough. Kick him in
And
the
I
body.
saw it make me bark.
Kick him in the body. Sister, kick him in.
Don't grab
love
my
you.
sister.
Me love you.
I'm tired of you
Now what
now.
I love you.
I'm tired of this.
What you did?
I'm tired of this.
Hey, madam, man, come here, sucker, you idiot.
What you leave me for? What you leave me for?
You idiot.
What you leave me for?
You don't take man lick. Come here. Come here to me. Come here to me.
You are, man. You are.
You
Yes,
can't
yes,
Me
yes,
come
yes.
and tell you. Me come tell you. Me never that one.
I never want to tell you.
You never want to tell me.
You
You never want to tell me. Hey, you never want to tell me. You idiot. You don't know better than that.
I never want to tell
You don't know
nobody.
better than that.
I never want to tell nobody.
Suppose me never come up here. What would have happened? No, suppose me never go call you.
Oi, you said man, oi, hey, me never come for the man kill you. That if your funeral, me never come. You tell me, oh man. So,
I never want to tell you. Come in
You're
this
gonna live with
here.
Auntie, sit on your man. You're gonna live with Auntie.
Me dey tell. Go call sister. That be my do. What a be balling.
Oh God, I'm sorry.
Baby. Baby. Forgive me. I'm back. Forgive me, baby. I'm sorry. Come on, baby. I'm sorry. I'm bringing your favorite this time, baby. I'm sorry. Where are you?
Oh,
Where
you
you
never
at?
heard.
Heard
Oh
what?
my God,
Heard what?
you're so slow.
Heard what? And you, I'm a woman, sister, me, have to come on my yard for a few days.
Yeah. I didn't feel this.
I mean, I build it.
Oh, not anymore.
Never mind, not anymore.
This one belong to you.
I'm a wife, though. Because I'm married to her, so I'm legally
Okay.
have half I see him.
That would love. You really done sorry. You know, say like, me sure me and like, alright, let me explain to you. Let me put you in the loop. Alright, so is it after you make sure me and sell our shops, our little shop down there and stuff, you know?
Uh-huh.
Yes. She built up, I don't know what she find the strength and the courage to, but you know, if I pass one big supermarket down in the town and you see Charmaine Enterprise.
Yeah.
I hear that. And she got like 14 more, one in every parish, so you're supposed to know. She went from nothing to something. So, you know what she did now?
My wife.
No, let me finish. Okay, so you know what she did now? She moved because she don't want to have no contact with you. So she sell herself to my police auntie or uncle. So that's why I made it here and they have the right. This is not your land anyway, so. So if you know what I know, you would take off I came around myself and not comedy there on a buck. And so you know where
I'll come right there too.
already, yes. Let me show you one day. One day right under look a piece of Sunday. So one day in a light bulb right there. So one more day in a light bulb. So camera them in a light. You have to put it discreet. Right now to go and do this one go so. So my day can see up on their phone.
So my woman, my
Sell your
wife.
soul and the land and the house, everything. And the only reason why my people them buy cause the land nice. So they say they gonna buy it, you know, like tear down this year bill up one nice
Can't meet a
house.
woman in a supermarket.
Oh well, better believe it. Call it to believe.
Hey wifey, baby, it's me. What? You know I don't forget this? Baby, we never intentionally tell you to sell the shop. We just ask if you love me and sell it. Your wife, you are send divorce paper come? You don't mean that. You got engaged. So what about me buy cornflakes here and let's go? Your favorite red and white. You have enough in your supermarket them. Come on, I love you. She was just a trash. She don't me. Your wife. She a matey. Wife is better than matey. Matey is just a piece of cloth. You just wring them out when you want to use them. And you just wipe. And then when it's dirty, you just dash it away again in the water and wring it. Come on. May I come to the supermarket?
Mr. Hang up your phone, because I don't know why I need.
Security. You have all security? Ah, so you gonna beat my wife? Don't call her what? Hello?
You never see that coming. You see you shouldn't do your work. So you see all the big, long girl, where they not take things and give you something. Oh, God. You see? They say,
God.
oh, dear. You can't take it right now. Why, goddamn, no. You look hungry.
Hey.
I'm for real, you see me shabby at our supermarket, boy, you go up a lady red and white. Well, lady look like to you. I know Valentine's Day yet, you can't go to red and white.
I learn my lesson as a man.
Nice.
When you're married, you stay in your relationship and fight with it.
Yes.
And those.
I think could they take about I would say true sickness and it true thick and true thin, everything. Yeah.
The mind and the flesh is different.
Oh.
What you doing?
We're gonna marry that white, yeah. Happy Valentine's. Woohoo!
Who do you want to marry?
Yuck, no. Crazy. Call him.
Oh, God.